Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to my channel. My name is Abhilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USD CHF, US dollar Swiss franc for 26 March 2021. So this video and analysis is for 26 March only. I bring videos on daily basis so that you get to stay ahead of the market and I can contribute a little bit towards your analysis. Okay. So please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's jump to the chart then. Let me take out the pencil. Okay. So we all know it very well that market was in beautiful uptrend till last week and the party is officially over now, and right now market is in range and there is no doubt about it. Okay, as you can see, I have drawn two lines here. Okay, and if you look carefully, then you can easily tell that yes, market is in range right now. Okay, and this is the resistance and this is the support. Okay, this is the resistance and this is the support. Okay, 0.9374 is the resistance and 0.9212 is the support for the market. And as you can see, market is just at the resistance right now. And generally in a range, whenever market is in a range or in a range bound market, it is very easy to short the market just below the resistance and just go for buying position just above the support. Okay, but here we need to consider few things. Okay, I would like to point out few things so that you get to understand what is going on. Okay, this is the present candle right now. Okay, this is the present candle. Okay, uh, just concentrate on the drawing. This is the present candle right now. Okay, and this was the previous candle. So the present candle signifies that okay, market went up. Let me change the color. Mm, Let me take orange. Okay, market went up. The price could not sustain. Okay, and ultimately it had to come down. Market went down. Buyers came in and pushed the price upward, and the price settled here. There was price rejection from above. There was some price rejection from below. So this signifies that there is an indecision going on in the market. Okay, means that neither buyers nor sellers. Okay, no one is dominating the market right now. Both are in equal dominance. Just try to understand the psychology of the market. Let's look at the previous candle. The previous candle suggests that price went down, but the the buyers or the bulls took the price upward and closed in the form of a hammer. Hammer generally suggests that price will go up. And the next candle is this, a spinning top kind of a pattern which signifies indecision going on in the market. Therefore, we will not short the market right now. Otherwise, see, market is in overbought zone. Stochastic RSI is also telling that the market is in overbought zone. It is at the resistance. Okay, things are very good here. But we cannot ignore this candle, the present candle, and the previous candle. Okay, just try to understand the market psychology here. So the next candle is very much important for us to take the decision. In case you see that, in case you see that market is about to reverse from here, uh, bulls have told the bears that no, we are not in a position to take the market upward. You dominate the market. Okay, if bulls go away and if you see a price rejection from above and a shooting star kind of a pattern, or a big fat red candle like this, like this, then it will be a clear indication that yes, bulls have failed to take the market upward, the resistance is still very much valid, and then you can short the market. Therefore, the next candle or next two candles are very important for us to take the decision. If you see that next candle and the next two candles are telling us that yes, the resistance is very much valid and market is about to reverse from here, you would just short the market. On the other hand, if you see that market crosses this resistance 0.9374 level, then wait for the market to trade above this level for at least 3 to 4 hours. Wait for the market to trade comfortably above this level and just observe the price. If you see that after 3-4 hours price is trading comfortably, there is no sign of struggle, then it will be clear to us that the resistance has become the support, and then you can go ahead and place the buy order above the resistance. So the next candle and the next two candles are very much important for us to take the decision, because see right now again the price is trying to go up again. So the next candle is very much important because right now there is an invasion going on in the market and bulls are trying very hard to break the resistance. So hopefully you have understood. This is my analysis, my own point of view. Okay. So this is it. Hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. See you tomorrow then. Bye bye, and do not forget to subscribe. Bye bye.